This is the presentation from Mixamo. We're going to talk about character animation for your game in seconds. So what is Mixamo? So Mixamo is an online service that allows you to create 3D character animation very quickly and very easily. You can make your model using Maya, 3ds Max, whatever software you're comfortable with, and then you can take that model, you can upload it on Mixamo, and then you can design the motion that you want and apply it to that character and take it inside your game. So today we're going to go through a very quick workflow demo of how this thing works. This is the Trinigy demo character. There are various motions already baked into this character. We're going to go and change one of those motions and get them from the Mixamo website. So we have here inside VForge, we can see the game. This is the game, the demo game that we have. And there's a walk cycle, walking forward and walking backward and turning around. So these are the motions that we're going to act on. Let's say I want to change this walking cycle into a running cycle, for example. So what I do, inside Max, I have my character. Now I want to upload this character on Mixamo and then apply some motion from Mixamo. And I can look for running motion, for example. We have a large catalog of motions. These motions they come from motion capture data. We have very good animators. They are making very clean loops. They make them really game ready. And then all these animations are taken inside a mathematical model so they can be customizable. So we're going to load now, and we're going to see this motion with our standard character. So we have a guy running here, and I can change the parameters. Have the guy running slower, like more like a jog. I can have him be leaning more backward. So we can change basically all these parameters for our guy, and we can see in 3D all the motion. We can mirror the motion, we can change the style, and then do the overdrive. But the more interesting thing is that I can upload my own character also. So let's upload now our exported character. I have the warrior character in FBX, so from Max I can just export FBX just by going here, doing export FBX, and I can call it warrior typos clean, for example, and here I have a few parameters, but so all I have to do is export my FBX, then I can go back on Mixamo and I can look for my warrior typos character that I exported and then load this up inside Mixamo. So we also have coded an algorithm that will automatically read your skeleton and automatically map it to our standard skeleton. So you don't need to go through renaming bones, identify mapping between the different joints. Like, we just automatically take care of that, and we in real time apply every one of our motion to your character. The formats that we support are right now FBX and BVH for upload. Once the upload is completed, under the hood there's this mapping process that goes on. This particular character is a max biped. This is our standard skeleton. We support infinite number of bones. We can bake motion up to 9 spine joints and 9 neck joints. We support all kinds of roll bones and everything. And here is my character, the warrior character, the Trinigy demo warrior character uploaded with all the joints already mapped. So everything works perfect. So we are done. Now we go back into the previous animation, and what we're going to see now is the motion of the running motion that we saw before applied to this warrior character. Right now we don't visualize meshes because people tend to be also a little bit sensitive in like disclosing mesh information of their character, so that's fine. All we need to get is the skeleton. And I can keep now changing and tweaking the parameters like I did before until I get what I want. Let's say I want more like aggressive and kind of fast run. So I'm going to tweak the parameters this way, and now I'm going to download it. So we're downloading FBX 30 frames per second. This is all good. And now here we have our file running idle. So I'm going to do import. I'm going to look for the downloaded running one. Here in the dialog, the only thing I have to do is make sure the field timeline is flagged is on, and everything else is fine. So I'm just going to press OK. And now, as an act of magic, we have basically the motion of our character in there. Let me set the starting frame from 0 instead of -20, so we can see a nice looping here. So this is the motion of our demo character. It took about 3 minutes to upload this model on Mixamo and bake down the motion.